morning to all students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 6, which is dated on 8th July 2020. The topic is similar triangles from exercise 8.1. Today we have to discuss few assignment questions. In that first question, draw a line segment whose length is 7.2 centimeter and divide it into in the ratio 5:3, like this, 5:3, and also you have to measure two parts. What is the length of each and every part? Okay, so first of all we have to draw a rough figure based on the given measurement whose length is 7.2 centimeter. So after the construction we have to divide this line segment AB into two parts such that AC is 4.5 centimeter and CB is 2.7 centimeter. So let's go for the construction. First we have to draw a line segment AB whose length is 7.2 centimeter, whose length is 7.2 centimeter. Yes, AB which is 7.2 centimeter. And also you have to draw a ray AX such that which makes an angle, acute angle with respect to line segment AB. So draw a ray AX and extend somewhat. Yes, AX ray. So for now we have to divide this ray into totally 8 parts. That is 5 plus 3 is 8 parts. This can be possible by compass. Take center A as a center with any length as a radius. Let me take this much of a radius. So take center A as a center and draw an arc which will be like this. Again let me take this is A1. Again take A1 as a center with the same radius, A2 and A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 and finally A8. Let me take this one, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. Now we have to join A8 and B. A8 as well as B. Join these 2 points. Yes. Now we have to draw one line from point A5 which is in parallel to B in A8. So why we need to take point A5 only? Because here totally 8 parts. So from A to A5 is a totally 5 parts and A5 to A8 is 3 parts. So after A8 we need to select after 3 divisions, that is 1, 2, 3. So that we have to take it as what? A5. So from this we have to draw a line which is parallel to B8. It can be possible by compass. So not only compass, we can draw parallel line with the help of protractor also by measuring with the angle between these two lines. Okay. Now we have to see with the help of compass. Take A8 as a center with somewhat as a radius, with any length as a radius, without changing this one. How to take A8 as center? Draw one more arc. Yes. Again you have to take this difference. How much this difference? With the help of compass. Now take this point as a center. Draw one arc, will be intersected at one point. Now you have to join these 2 points. Now it is need to start from A5 and which will be exactly parallel to B and A8 and will intersect on A line segment AB on point C. If you measure with the help of scale, this measurement must be 4.5 centimeter and CB must be 2.7 centimeter. Such that AC is to CB must be how much? It is exactly 5:3. Now after that we have to write steps of construction. The first one is draw the rough figure and label it based on the given measurement. And next one is draw a line segment whose length is 7.2 centimeter. Then after, how to draw a ray AX such that it makes an angle, acute angle with respect to line segment AB. After that we have to divide this ray AX into totally 8 parts such that 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 parts. So that take point A as a center, draw an arc with some radius with any length. Okay, without changing that radius, you have to draw one more arc from point A1 as a center. Similarly A2 as a center, A3 as a center, such that that point is A1 is equal to A1 A2 is equal to A2 A3 is equal to A3 A4 and so on A7 AH such that Each and every length must be equal. After that, you have to join A8 and B, and you have to draw a line which is parallel to A8 and B from point A5, and will intersect on AB at point C. Now you have to measure this AC line segment whose length must be 4.5 centimeter. Again, CD is how much? 2.7 centimeter. This can be possible with help of this construction. Okay. So likewise, we can divide the line segment into two parts. One part is 4.5 centimeter and one more part is 2.7 centimeter. So this is also can possible. You can also verify with the theoretical also like this. How can you verify this one? So you can do like this. So AC is equal to how much? AC is equal to total 5 parts. 5 out of total how many parts? 8 parts into what is the length of total line segment? 7.2. It is how much? Total is 0.9. So that 5 times of 0.9 is how much? 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now length of AC must be 4.5 centimeter. Next, what about CB? CB is equal to, you can take like this. 3 parts. Here it is 5:3. No, 3 out of 8 into what is the length of total line segment? 7.2. So here also 0.9. So 3 times of 0.9 how much? 2.7 centimeter. So this can be possible by theoretically. By formula we can write like this. So the two parts must be 4.5 centimeter. The second part must be 2.7 centimeter. Let us see the second question. Draw a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter and also divide into two parts such that in the ratio 3:2. So what about this one? This is 3:2. And also you have to measure two parts. What are the two parts? Means length of each and every part how much. So similar same, we have to draw the rough figure. So and label it based on the given measurement. And let's start the construction. In this, first of all, we have to take AB as the line segment whose length must be how much? 5.5 centimeter. First of all, we have to draw this line segment whose length must be 5.5 centimeter. Yes, 5.5 centimeter. Yes. Similarly, we have to draw ray AX which makes an acute angle with respect to AB. With respect to AB, acute angle means less than 90 degrees. You can take any angle from 0 to 90 degrees. Better to take from 30 or 45 days. AX ray. Okay. And also you have to divide this ray into totally how many parts? 3 plus 2. Totally 5 parts. Like that you have to mention, label it that is total A1 to A5 with the help of compass. Again, take point A as a center with some radius. Draw one arc. Yes. It is nothing but what? A1. With the same radius, A1 as a center, draw A2 and A3 and A4 and A5. A5 like this. A2, A3, A4, A5. Now you have to join A5 to B. A5 to B with the help of scale. A5 to B. Yes. Now you have to draw a line from A3 which is in parallel with B and A5. Why? Because so there is totally 5 parts. So from here to here it is 3 parts, here to here it is 2 parts. So that's what we have to take A3 as a reference point. Okay. So now how we are going to draw a parallel line? Same thing. So take point A5 as a center with some radius. So draw one arc. Yes. Okay. Again from point A3 as a center, draw arc. Yes. Draw arc. Again, how to measure this difference with the help of this compass? How much this difference? It is like this. Okay. Now take this point as center. Now draw this arc. Now these two point of intersection is take one point and draw one line which is parallel to A3 as well as this point. One with the help of a scale. Yes. Now these 2 points are, this line is passes to this point. Now this line as well as this line both are parallel to each other. Now this line will intersect on AB at point C, such that if you measure this AC, it must be how much it is? 3.3 centimeter. CB must be 2.2 centimeter. 2.2 centimeter. Okay. Now after that you have to write. So this can be it is nothing but what? A1 and A1 A2, A2 A3, A3 A4. So all lengths must be same. So after that you have to write steps of construction as first point. Draw rough figure and label it based on the given measurement. The second one, take a line segment, draw a line segment whose length is 5.5 centimeter. Again, draw array AX, which makes an acute angle with respect to AB. And also divide this ray into totally how many parts? 5 parts. 3 plus 2, 5 parts. And such that you have to take point A as a center, draw an arc with any length, such that without changing the radius, so take A1 as a center, draw one more arc. Likewise, you have to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arcs like that. A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3, and A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5. Means each and every length must be equal. Then after you have to join A5 as well as B, and also draw one more line which is from A3, which is in parallel with B and A5, and this point will intersect on AB at point C. So if you measure this angle, if you measure this length, it must be 3.3 centimeter. Again CB must be 2.2 centimeter. So this can be also verified with what? In theoretically also. That is, if you take this one, AC is equal to how much? Totally how many parts? 3 parts. 3 out of 5 into what is the length of total line segment? That is 5.5. It is how many times? 1.1. So what is 3 times of 1.1? It is nothing but what? 3.3 centimeter. That is 3.3 centimeter. Next, CB is equal to 2 by 5 into 5.5. How much now? It is 5. How many times? 1.1 times. 2 times of 1.1, how much? It is 2.2 centimeter. See, the measure of CB is how much? 2.2 centimeter. So this is the second one. Let us see third question. Define scale factor. The scale factor simple definition is, let us take, it is the ratio of a scale factor. It is the ratio of the sides of a triangle to be constructed with sides of a given triangle. Let us take this. So first, triangle ABC. It is a given triangle. Triangle to be constructed means A dash and B dash and C dash. Okay. Now the ratio of the respective sides of a triangles can be taken as what? A scale factor. And this scale factor will it is a heart of a similarity. So based on this scale factor, we can estimate whether it is the given figure is enlarged or compressed figure. Right? For example, if scale factor which is greater than 1, so we will get an enlarged figure. And the scale factor, if it is less than 1, we can get the compressed figure. And if it is scale factor which is equal to 1 means, so we will get the same figure what we are getting. Okay, what we are getting in the question. So these are the today assignment questions which is from similar triangles from exercise 8.1. Thank you.